In today's video, I'll teach you how to disable sensitive content on Whatnot. So first of all, launch open Whatnot application. You can see over here Whatnot application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to disable the sensitive content, what you have to do is tap on the account icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to your account interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. Simply scroll down, find this option for preferences and tap on it. Now you'll be able to access the settings related with preferences over here. At third, you'll be able to find this option for show sensitive content. If this is enabled, you'll be able to see the sensitive content which may feature profanity or products that contain nudity. So if you want to disable it, simply toggle this button off. Now you can see over here the sensitive content will be disabled. So that is how you disable sensitive content. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.